How do you add functionality to a system that you're already using for work without having to build a whole new tool or convert to a whole new tool or move your big customer database over to another tool? There's one thing that's going to make it really easy. So one of my favorite tools, it's called Zapier, zapier.com. That's the little name up there. And all it is an automation tool that lets you tie data and interactions from one tool to another. Let me show you how that works. For instance, here I am in the Zap editor. Let's say I want to tie and add functionality to my Trello. So I'm going to say the trigger is when something happens in Trello, when a card is moved to a certain list. When something happens like that, I want something else to happen on a different tool. I'm going to go to action. Let's say I'm building a really nice system over on Notion. Notion is the tool that I want to pair with my Trello, and I want to add my additional functionality and use Notion on a top layer above Trello. I want to create a database item or update a database item or anything like that. And then I just click continue, I answer a few questions, and I can add however many more actions and triggers and things like that I want. Now, every time I move a card over to a certain list in Trello, or anytime one of my teammates does, it will trigger an action in Notion and update the information. And you can even do a big dump. Zapier is like a one-way sync where you can just dump all information from, say, Trello to your Notion. But once that's ready, you're working off the same data. It's all the same information. You're not building a new tool. You're not transferring everything over to a new tool. You're just using the same data and creating a top layer with more functionality that you would want. Super, super easy to do. So I hope that answers the question. Let me know. Rock on.